Hey there, have you ever felt stuck, wondering how to turn your dreams into reality? You're not alone. Across India, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, thousands are striving to bridge the gap between potential and opportunity. Here at Cracked, we are on a mission to empower you to achieve your career goals. And today, we're going to dive deep into a proven roadmap that will help you land your dream job. Ready to kickstart this transformative journey? Let's go. Step 1. Step 1 is all about you, discovering your passion and unlocking your true potential. Ask yourself, what excites you? What's that one thing you do even if you weren't paid for it? It's okay, you don't have to have a clear answer right away. Many people don't find their passion immediately. In fact, many successful professionals don't know what they loved right away. It took time, exploration, and trying out different things. So, start by exploring different fields, try internships, take free online courses, or volunteer in areas that interest you. Pro tip: identify the overlap between what you love and what you're good at and what the world needs, and that's where you find your sweet spot. For example, if you love technology, are good at solving problems, and see a gap in tech education, you could become a tech educator or even a content creator. The possibilities are endless. What's the one skill you wish you could improve right away? Drop it in the comments below. Next up, skills. Your dream job isn't out of reach. It just requires the right tools. Let's break this into two categories. Hard skills. These are the technical abilities specific to your field, like coding, accounting, or digital marketing. The good marketing, the good news. Platforms like Cracked, Coursera, and Udemy make learning accessible to everyone. Soft skills. Employers today are looking for adaptability, communication, and emotional intelligence. You can practice these by joining group projects or even participating in local events. Let's take a closer look at soft skills. Say you're aiming for a leadership role. You can start building leadership skills now by taking charge of a small project or leading it in a community initiative. You'll not only practice problem solving and decision making, but also build confidence. And for hard skills, don't wait until you have the perfect job to start learning. You can start by volunteering or taking on small freelance projects as well. For instance, if you're learning graphic designing, offer to design logos for local businesses. Your resume and portfolio are your ticket to the interview room. Let's make sure they stand out. Keep your resume concise. Just one page with relevant information. Tailor it for each job you apply to. One size doesn't fit all. And don't forget a portfolio if your field demands it. Design, writing, or even coding, showcase your best work to prove your expertise. If you're a writer, include a few blog posts or articles you've written. If you're into programming, share a GitHub link showcasing your projects. Have you updated your resume recently? Let us know in the comments. What's the hardest part of your resume to get right? Now comes the big step, applying for the jobs. But wait, don't just hit apply and pray. Be strategic. Research the company, show them that you understand their goals and challenges. Write a personalized cover letter highlighting how you can solve their problems. And let's not underestimate networking. LinkedIn isn't just a social platform, it's a gold mine for opportunities. Reach out to professionals in your fields, ask for advice, and build genuine connections. Did you know that 70% of the jobs are filled through networking? That's why LinkedIn and even offline events like meetups and conferences can be game changers for your career. If you're not sure how to start networking, here's a tip. Join LinkedIn groups related to your industry. Participate in discussions, ask questions, and start conversations with others in your field as well. It's a great way to build your connections and learn from people who've been where you want to go. Interviews are the final hurdle, and here's how you can nail them all. First is practice answering. Practice answering common questions like tell me about yourself or what's your biggest strength. Use the STAR method. Situation, task, action, and result to structure your responses. Let's dive deeper into the STAR method. Imagine you're asked about a time you handled a difficult project. You'd explain the situation, the task at hand, the action you took to address the issue, and the result that followed. This gives the interviewer a clear picture of how you approach challenges. Also, don't forget to research the company's culture and values. Prepare to ask questions like what's the company's approach to professional development or what's the team dynamic like. This shows you're invested and ready to contribute. Finally, let's address something most of us face: rejections. They're tough, but they're not the end. Each no is a step closer to the right yes. Take feedback seriously. Improve what you can. Keep learning. Every new skill that you learn makes you more valuable. Remember, the road to success is rarely a straight line. Even the most successful people faced countless rejections before they succeeded. For example, Steve Jobs was once fired from Apple, but that didn't stop him. In fact, it led to one of the most greatest comebacks of the history. What's one rejection you've faced that made you stronger? Share your story with us. And that's it, the roadmap to landing your dream job. From discovering your passion to building skills, crafting resumes, networking, and acing interviews. These steps will set you up for success. At Cracked, we believe in you. Your journey has the power to inspire change, not just for yourself, but for your community and beyond. If this video resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe. Let's work together to make India a global superpower, one dream job at a time.